Hey y'all, it's your girl LaCrystal, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm doing a mukbang with Papa John's. I did one before, and I seem to have gotten a lot of love from that. And why not? Because Papa John's is the ish. Like, I love Papa John's. And what I have today is the same thing I had in the last mukbang. I have the Spinach Alfredo pizza, and it has the Alfredo sauce instead of the marinara sauce. And I also have garlic Parmesan chicken. And I got my little dipping sauces with me. I got my ranch. Got my garlic butter sauce for my pizza. And of course I have my soda. And if y'all know me, y'all know I got kids, so you might hear them in the background, trying to get them to be as quiet as they can, but y'all know how kids are. You tend to hear them in every video. So, yeah, I'm about to tear it up. So y'all want to see this first part? I like it when they put it separately, when it's not all liquidy. Because look at that, it's all liquidy. But it's still good. I think Papa John's is my favorite pizza place. And this is my favorite pizza. They don't never give you no napkins, and I don't ever have no napkins. Like, what's up with that? Y'all know I love my ranch. Y'all know this. I admit, Pizza Hut is better. Pizza Hut has better chicken. What is it? Garlic Parmesan chicken. But this is still good.
This is what you want.
Okay, go over there. Told y'all. So, to all of my small YouTubers, have y'all heard? Now we can no longer go live on our mobile devices unless we have 1,000 subscribers.
Look, I'm getting candy. So, not called candy.
I don't have 1,000 subscribers. I have 600 plus. And I'm very upset because I don't have a laptop. I don't have any other device, because you use a laptop, you know, something like that, a computer, to go live, or a webcam. I don't have any of that. And the lives really help with your watch time. So, I'm upset about that. But at the same time, it's just going to push me harder to make these videos come out. I don't know why they doing that. Some people say they doing it because the sub things that people do on lives. Or maybe, in my opinion, maybe they're just trying to make it harder for smaller YouTubers. But maybe subs do play a part in it, because they don't want subs, and that's what people tend to do on lives. Even when they don't want to, people can have a live up and people just be trying to sub to everybody. But if you follow me on Instagram and you looked at my Instagram story, you would know that I was ticked off yesterday, like for real. I was minding my own business, watching, vlogs and stuff, and all of a sudden I got the notification to create a studio. Then I looked on YouTube and I got the notification. I was mad. So I'm glad I've been consistent anyway. So it's not like I gotta be like, oh my God, now I gotta start making videos often. I was already doing that, so That's the good thing about it. And I don't have to stress myself out about that. But it still sucks.
Like, why? That's some candy we want to eat.
But hopefully I make these videos and people watch it all the way through. And I can get to my goal even faster.
Right? Yeah.
This pizza, I'm sorry.
Yeah, but
But
you can't get one.
especially with this sauce, I'm running out, so I'm going to have to start dipping in ranch soon. They only give you one.
This is when you do it. Thank you.
I think I got, I got a large pizza and 8 wings.
What's this? That's candy and that.
But yeah. So let me know in the comments how y'all feel about that. Like, did y'all know about that? I mean, to the ones that got like a computer, y'all good.
And what candy? What candy?
But people like me that just upload everything from your phone and have less than 1,000 subscribers, that's not good. And I'm mad about that.
You like cookies? You like cookies somehow? Yep, but now.
Like, I want to gain my subscribers the right way. I want people to come to my channel. See, if they see what they like, I want them to subscribe. I don't want to do stuff for subs. But that's what it's going to push a lot of people to do because we can't go live and earn our hours. So we're going to keep, well, some people going to try to do stuff for subs to hoping that people watch the videos and they get the watch hours. I'm not going to do it because no guarantee they're going to watch my videos.
Yeah.
And I advise you not to do it.
And this. Okay, these are. Okay.
But it really sucks, man.
Why they got one?
And then I don't know what I'm about to say. I'm sorry, I'm so focused on this food. I think I was about to say I'm gonna be uploading multiple videos a day on certain days. Like after this one, y'all might get another one. But it's all good. All good. Because sometimes I want to say forget YouTube, but I came too far. Like, I think the longest I ever went without recording since I had YouTube was like 2 weeks. So, you know, I've been consistent since I had it, or since I've been on here. So, I'm not going to give up. But they're making it hard for a sister like me. It's hard for a pimp, you know? But it's all good. Who copying off me?
Me.
I thought I got a burp. Is it coming?
My pants are down.
Excuse me. The boy said ew. Everybody burps.
Can you see me, mommy?
Go play. I got a video coming for y'all. So.
Raffle. We don't have some more waffle. We don't have some more waffle. Yes, we do. There we go. We don't have no more waffle.
As a matter of fact, can y'all help me out and let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see?
Ow!
'Cause I know some people want to see makeup tutorials. I had somebody tell me vlogs. Somebody wanted me to do a lemon challenge. Let me know what y'all want to see. Like, let me know, because I don't want to put stuff out there that ain't nobody gonna look at. Say hi, then go over there and play.
What? Well, I stay.
Go play.
I'm in there. YouTube people. I see Jayan behind you. I see Mommy. Mommy was looking at us. They died. No, they didn't. They was about to. But now they not. Hey. But he gonna do. He died in a little bit.
I'm a lightweight. I'm getting full. And it's not breakfast time, but like I said, I got my
I
Pepsi.
want soup. I want soup garments.
The shade. I think I want a few more wings. And their wings little. When I get the ones from Pizza Hut, they be all big. But it's all good.
Diane, do you want to play school? Do you want to play school or what? What do you want to play? No, I'm not just like, ew! Thank you.
And once again, don't forget to let me know what kind of videos y'all would like to see.
That's his grandpa.
My bad, I'm watching a little bit of TV. Oh yeah, don't mind my makeup. I was just practicing, having fun. I used to have my own way of doing makeup, and then they came up with all this new stuff that I'm trying to learn how to do. But yeah, do stuff my way.
Happy now. I forgot being Dad. That's mad. Because that's going to be done. I can't hear it. I can.
Yeah, my fingers taste like perfume.
They're on the top height.
And this is off subject. Well, I'm jumping to many subjects. But I just want to know, like, how y'all feel. I ain't even trying to be funny.
Yeah.
Hold on. Excuse me. I ain't trying to be funny, but like, dang. I know stuff on YouTube is trending. But how would you feel, and this is to all my YouTubers, small, big, whatever. How would you feel if, excuse me, if you don't like burps, you might as well click off this video because this Pepsi got me going. But hold on.
It's only good.
How would you feel? I know ranch is right there probably, so don't judge me. Okay, I'm finally gonna say it. How would you feel if you feel like? How would you feel if you feel like? How would you feel if you notice that it's like a YouTuber copying off everything you do? Like, I know things trend. I know people are doing the same things. But when you, how would you feel if you notice that somebody's constantly doing everything you do, like your whole style, the way you edit, or the way, you know, certain thumbnails, or ideas, you know, the way you talk, the way you act. Like, how would you feel? What would you do if you notice somebody doing that? And I'm just asking. I just want to know. I just want to know. Leave it down in the comment section. Would you unsubscribe? Would you tell that person, hey, give me credit because you know you're copying off everything I do? Or leave it alone? Or what would you do? I just want to know.
That one.
Because I know somebody going through it, so I really want to know. I want some feedback. Because in a sense, that's competition. And like I mentioned in my videos before, on YouTube, you don't compete with the next person. You compete with yourself. Because it's like making a CD. You got to make sure that CD is better than the last CD. You got to make sure your video is better than the last video. Make sure you get better each time. Make sure your edits are better each time. Thumbnails, all that. It's okay to get inspired by somebody and, you know, they motivate you and you want to do something like them. But don't copy off everything they do, because that's a slap in the face, especially when you don't, like, give them recognition, like, hey, so-and-so inspired me to do this, you know. Because anything I do, I shout the person out. Y'all notice my thumbnails been getting better? I could thank Ishana for that from J&L Family, because she told me, she helped me and told me how to do it and, you know, taught me. And she keep it real with me. My quality is bad, she'll tell me, which is why I'm using my rear camera now, which I have been told to use my rear camera before, but she like drilled it in my head, like, girl, use your rear camera so you can get better quality. And there's nothing wrong with doing something you see somebody else doing, because like everything repeats itself, you know. But when it comes to certain things, you want to give people credit because it was their idea, or it was them that started it, same thing, or that's just something they do on a norm. So if you all of a sudden copying, you need to give them credit. Point blank period. And that's just how I feel. Come for me in the comments, but that's just how I feel. On YouTube, you're supposed to be authentic. Yeah, you're supposed to level up and grow, but you're supposed to be authentic and always be yourself. Don't try to be like somebody else. Don't try to talk like somebody else. Don't do what somebody else is doing. Unless it's something like a trending video and you're trying to get views or something. But you don't change your whole demeanor, your whole persona, your whole personality to be like somebody else. People gonna catch on to that. And they're gonna realize, they're gonna think you're fake. Let's keep it. They're gonna think you're fake. I never switched up. If anything, I got more comfortable, so now I'm not like camera shy like I was, and I talk a little bit more. But I will never try to be like anybody else because I love who I am. But yeah, it's just something to think about. It's almost Sunday and I'm preaching to y'all.
I don't want to be.
So yeah, I want to see all perspectives, you know, in the comment section. Let me know. You disagree, you agree, you going through yourself, let me know. I'm just wondering. Just like all those tags I was in, some people I ask like, hey, can I do that video too? I'll give you credit, you know, let them know I got it from you. Or they'll challenge me to it. I'm like, okay, I'll do that challenge. And I always shout them out. I don't act like it's my own idea because I feel like that's disrespectful. No matter who's doing it. I don't care if a big YouTuber did it and then a small YouTuber tagged me in it. I'm going to shout that small YouTuber out because they tagged me in it. It's just out of respect. It's just a respect thing. And I know I saw one woman on YouTube way before I started YouTube. And she was saying how people copy people and don't give nobody credit. And then this one girl started calling her dumb and was like, you know, it's YouTube. People gonna do the same thing. Yeah, that's true. But certain things that you know that only this one person is doing, you want to give them credit for instead they inspired you. Like, you don't want to act like it's your own idea. I can see pranks. Like, I'm not going to do a prank like, oh, yeah, I want to shout out the Prince family and the royal family. But I'm not going to do all that because everybody's doing pranks. But if I see a certain prank from, like, a YouTuber and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to do that same prank. I'm going to shout them out because it was their idea. Their idea. But, yeah. YouTube, I was warned about YouTube that, you know, things like could be, somebody told me be sure that this is what you want to do, make sure you want to do it because it's a dark side of YouTube, and which I kind of saw when I got the hate comments, but it can always get worse. It will get worse as you get bigger. So, but one thing I'm not gonna do, I'm not gonna put myself in no drama, I know that, but just be original and unique. That's it. If you want to do somebody's idea, you do it, but you do it differently. Like, you switch it up. You make it into something that you would do. You know, you don't do exactly what somebody. You don't do exactly what somebody else is doing. And then I can't even talk about it no more. Just let me know how y'all feel about it. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I don't feel like I'm wrong. But let a sister know. I should have got some dessert. I'm trying to think. I want another pizza. And they always put these in there, and I never eat it. Never, ever, ever. And this is how much pizza I have left. I hope I can show y'all without dropping the box. Can y'all see that?
Pizza.
That's me leftovers. And oops. Sorry guys. I don't know how I did that. But that's all I have for y'all today. Well, for right now anyway. I was gonna try to eat some more, but I think I'm full. How many pieces did I think I ate 3 pieces, 4, and 8 wings. So I'm kind of full. So I think I'm just going to end it there. I feel like I got another burp coming. Excuse me. It feels so good when you burp. Yeah, so I'm going to leave y'all with a bang just like that. And look at my empty plates. Yeah. Alright, y'all. So I'm about to end this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Add your girl on IG where I share my food, pictures of me, the kids, funny clips, you know, stuff like that. Even some memes from time to time. And I always post on my IG story. So, yeah. So I'm going to leave y'all like that. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, which I think I already said. Shaking my head. And I shall see y'all in the next video. Bye.